Does your Sea-Doo jet ski open up like this? Well, if so, then you have an ST3 Hull, and our storage products are exactly what you need to free up some more space. So you're coming up to the dock, you gotta get your lines, you gotta get your fenders, but you gotta dig through the Sea-Doo front bag here. Maybe your girl's got some things in the way, maybe you've got a towel in the way, still gotta get your lines and your fenders though. Everything, it's coming out in a jumbled up mess, you're dropping, you still ain't got everything. It's an awful design and it's a waste of space, and I've got the solution for you. With our ST3 Hull storage products, you'll have more space than you ever imagined possible. So ditch the Sea-Doo front bag and upgrade, have more space today. Our first product here is going to be the OEM Sea-Doo fender holders. Keeps it in arm's reach, keeps it nice and neat, out of the way. Unclip it, mount it over the side. Now for those of you who don't like to use the OEM Sea-Doo fenders, we have you covered as well. We have compatibility options for all of the top-selling aftermarket fenders available on Amazon. My favorite are the hole huggers, which are shown here, and the other two top-selling brands, Boat Tector and Afrodura, have been tested and are compatible with our aftermarket fender holders. For our next product, we've got the ST3 Hull Towel Organizer. Keeps it within arm's reach like everything else. Nice and organized, you don't have to worry about a towel getting wet at the bottom. All you gotta do, pull it straight out. Simple Velcro system. Just a bada bing, bada boom, and she's out. For our next product, we've got the ST3 Hull Dock Line Organizer. Same as everything else, within arm's reach, nice and neat, out of the way. Pull up, Velcro system, loosen it out, and your line is free. Our next product is the ST3 Hull Foldable Cup Holder. So when you're parked at the beach and you got people gathering around you, everybody's got a place to set a beverage, don't have to worry about it spilling over or anything crazy like that. The beauty of these foldable cup holders is take your drink out, you can change it to any size drink, shrink it down to any size drink. Once you're done with it, fold it down. It takes up half an inch of space. You can fit up to 4 of them in your front bin storage there. And let's be honest, how many times has someone spilled a drink on the back of your ski, or even worse, into the footwell? And our cup holders will definitely solve this problem. Here we have on display is all of our available products for the ST3 Hull. You have your foldable cup holder, your towel organizer, your fender holder, available for OEM and aftermarket, and your line holder. Part of the ST3 Hull storage system is you can now set some to-go boxes from your restaurant you were just at, take out your line organizer, up to 4 to-go boxes from any restaurant. You can find all of these products at st3hullaccessories.com.